photo. Not be juju be that.
There is God. Oh.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Help me. If they carry me, they go, we are not know.
Please, this is how I record my video, and I'm going to show you so that you can see it and record your own the same. I record an empty background small, then I came in and do my action. So this is the empty background I'm recording. That is at the roadside. Yeah, this is the empty background, and I came inside the picture like this. Sorry, the movie like this. Are you listening? Stop small. Then I started doing my action. Inside, I just take once like this, start doing some action. The action will come like this. This is the Superman coming from the earth. Good. Yeah, this is how I do my movie or my video. So if you're watching me for the first time, try and follow me so that anytime I put the video on the content like this, you'll be the first person among the rest to watch it. What I want from you is that let's go to the Cupcut. Let's go to Cupcut and display our magic over there.
Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
Guys, click on Cupcut, new project, allow it to load into your gallery. Okay, good. Now you are going to use the video that you wanted to use for your editing, so go and pick yours. This mine, and I'm going to pick it. Good. Click on add. It will load to your workplace like this. Then you click on the video like this, go down and look for the volume. Click on it, reduce it to 0, mark it here and go. Now you are going to cut off the empty background because we need it here. So here is my empty background, and I make a split here. Click on split. Everything. After you make a split, go here and go and look at where you wanted to start your action. Okay, good. So here is the place, and I make a split here to leave the center one. We don't need it. Now you are going to the ending part and go and see whether it is good or not. Everything. Yeah, so let me take off this place small. No, as for India, let me leave it like this. But if your own is not good, you can take off the ending part. Okay, fine. So now you are going to click on this video like this and go down and look for overlay. Click on it, then you click on it again and drag it to the end of the empty background like this. Click on the empty background, go down and look for freeze. Click on freeze. It will freeze itself. I will send it cut into 3. You can delete one like this and click on this one, drag it to the ending part of the video like this. Good. After you drag it, go and pick the video that you are going to edit again. I drag it more, that's why I'm doing it like this. Good. So now you are going to pick the video that you wanted to edit. Now there is the video. Are you listening? So what you are going to do is that you are going to look at where you start shaking yourself. Yeah, take your time and do it well. Okay, where you start shaking yourself. Yeah, I think this is the place I started shaking myself. So click on split like this. Split. After you split it, what you are going to do is that you come here like this. Have you seen it? After you came here, click on this one like this, go down like this and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on auto remover, allow it to remove completely like this. After that, mark it here and go. So now what you are going to do now is to drag this one down like this. Okay, drag this one down and let it go down like this. Good. After that, click on any oil, then you click on it again. So now you are going to put a keyframe here. Have you seen it? After you put on keyframe here, you push the video small, then you raise up the image like this. The one that you put down, you put it, you raise it up, you push it, you raise it up, you push it small, then you raise it up, you push it small and you also raise it up, you push it small, you raise it up. Have you seen it? You push it small like this, also raise it up, you push it small, you raise it up. Have you seen it? Yeah, it's what we are going to do. After that, you then what you are going to do now is to what, you come to the place where you started shaking yourself. Shake yourself small like this. Have you seen it? Then you make, click on keyframe again like this. After that, click on splice. Click on filter. After you click on filter, push the video small and reduce the texture of it. Have you seen it? Push it small, then you reduce the texture of it. You push it small like this and you reduce the texture of the video. Push it small, you reduce the texture. Last one, you reduce all of it, then you mark it here and go. So let's go and see the magic that you made so far before you continue our journey. Good. I'll see that I'm coming out here like this. Good. Yeah, start doing my action, doing my action, doing my action, doing my action. I'm going to vanish, vanish and vanish here. So good. Now you have not ended. You are going to do something back. So what you are going to do is that click on this overlay here. Click on this overlay here. Go and pick the same video like this, add it to the workplace like this. Click on the volume, reduce it to 0, mark it here. Now you are going to get your empty background here. Here is my empty background. So you are going to make a split. Click on split like this, delete this one, we don't need it. Yeah, so after you cut off your empty background, try and drag it to the any part of this one like this, the place where you started raising up. That's mine. So you click on it like this, then you go down and go and look for mask. You are going to look for mask. Click on mask like this. Click on rectangle, like this. After that, after you click on the rectangle, you are going to span this, make it how you want it to be. Okay. But me, I want my own to be like this, and span this small, make it nicely. After you do it that mark it here and come here. Here is your rectangle. Click on the empty background, put it here down like this. Have you seen it? You just put it here down like this. So let's go and look at it again and see what you've made so far. Good. Let's go. Have you seen it? We are coming out from the background. Good. Now what you left now is to what? Your video effect and your magic effect. If you don't know how to do that, DM me so that I can teach you all those things, how to make it attractive for people to watch it and watch it again. DM me so that I will teach you how to do all those things. But yeah, the empty background is many, so make a split here and delay this one. So that it will be nice. So let's watch the video back again. Good. Yeah, so it left with cracking effect and all those effects. So try and DM me, or if you can do it yourself. You can. If you cannot do it, let me know on the comment section. My number is there. You can WhatsApp me. I will teach you how to do all those things. Magic effect. Good. Bye bye.